Assalam Alaikum. My name is Mustafa and today my topic is how to add the effect on button from CSS. In this video we will learn how to add the effect on left to right button. Uh, I will go to the first of all we will edit the page with Elementor. Go to the setting. Go to the button that I want to change. Click on the button sections. After go to the advanced. Here I will give the custom class of the button. The custom class is button effect. Go to the custom CSS. Here we will write the custom code of the CSS. I will add the background. A, A means background linear gradient to left color, and this color is appear on front end 50%, and second color is that is showing on hover background right 50%, right background size 200 pixel, transitions 5 second east out, and effect button effect on hover transition background transitions left. After doing this, I will save to the page and go to the home page. Go to the home page. I will hover the transition is apply on the home page. Thank you to see this video.